Welcome to Bill's Bridge class, Wednesday, July 10th, 2013. Class 96, the Uppercut, and Coup En Passant Part 2. We're going to switch sides of the table and now look at the issue from declare's standpoint. Can you avoid the blows that your opponents are about to give you? Here we go. Avoiding an uppercut. You're the declarer. This time you're the declarer, and here's the bidding. You open a spade, your partner bids 2 clubs, East overcalls 2 hearts, you rebid 2 spades, partner takes you to 4 and all pass. West leads to 7 of hearts to East Jack, and remember East bid. And you take the ace. Plan your play. Well, how do you play this hand? Play a diamond to the dummy and then lead a spade. The important thing is that you're pretty sure that West led a singleton. You're going to get forced to be in an uppercut. So if you lead a spade first from dummy and East wins the trick, leads a heart, you can afford to trump high because you'll play low when he trumps. You can afford to trump high, you'll pull trump and claim. Let's look at the difference if you play some other way. If you simply lead the king of spades at trick 2, East would win the ace and then lead a heart. This would result in your defeat because these are the other 2 hands. West has a singleton heart which you expected, and he happens to have 4 spades to the 9. East has a stiff ace. So when you rough the heart high, West 9 becomes established as a setting trick. You can't afford to do that. Leading low toward your hand conserved a high trump. New hand. You are declarer. You are south. That's your hand. Bidding goes 1 heart by you, double to your West. Partner bids 1, no trump. You carry it to 4 and all pass. Dummy comes down, and West cashes spades, ace, king, and then the queen. East playing up the row, 7, 9, and jack. You rough the 3rd spade. Cash the ace, king, and queen of hearts, and on the 3rd heart, West pitches a spade. Now what? Where we're at. There's your hand, here's the bidding, here's dummy. And you've just cashed 3 hearts, and East still has a heart left. How are you going to make your 10 tricks? You cannot avoid East from taking his high trump. You must score your 6 of hearts for the 10th trick. It's the only way you can make it. So how do you play? Cash the ace, king of clubs, king of diamonds, go over to the queen of diamonds on the board, and cash the ace. As long as East must follow, you're fine. Now lead the 4th diamond, and you plan to rough unless East plays the high trump. Your 6 of hearts will be the 10th trick. The example of Coup En Passant by declarer. It's a little far-fetched, but hey, it's a dream. Whatever. Bidding goes as follows. You are south. That's your hand. You open a weak 2. Not bad for a weak 2. West overcalls 3 diamonds, and your partner sticks it to you. 6 spades, doubled by East. You have nowhere to go. I'll pass. Here's partner's hand. Well, you have a chance at it. How's it going to go here? West leads the 4 of spades, and East plays a 3. Well, you're going to lose the king of spades, that's for sure. You play a diamond to the ace and a heart to the ace. Now what? Well, here's the hand. South and north. You know you're going to lose the king of spades. East must have the spades for the double, and he must be short in diamonds because West came up at 3 diamonds all by himself. So, how do you play? You lead hearts from the top. On the king of hearts, West pitches a diamond. That's a good sign. You ruff the fourth heart with the 6 of spades. Now lead a club to the ace and lead a diamond. The position of the hands is on the next page. The situation. You're in dummy. There's the hand, and it's trick 8. Lead a diamond from dummy. Then, what does East do? If East pitches a club, ruff with the 8 of spades, lead a club to the king, lead the queen of clubs, and cover whatever trump East chooses. East will only win the king of spades. If East ruffs low, cover with whatever card he plays, and return to dummy. Again, you'll only lose the king of spades. And lastly, if East ruffs with the king of spades, you pitch a club, and the rest of the tricks are yours. Coup en Passant and the uppercut. 2 critically important facts you need to know as defender or declarer. Tomorrow we're going to start looking at how some people can really read cards. How do you know where the high cards are out against you or in declarer's hand? We'll cover that tomorrow and probably several sessions afterwards. See you then.